Protests have been planned across the country this evening demanding justice in Kathua and Unnao rape cases. This as the family of the 8-year-old raped and murdered in Kathua in Jammu and Kashmir have decided to approach the Supreme Court for transferring the case out of Kathua to some other part of the country. Earlier, the lawyers had prevented the crime branch from filing the charge sheet in Kathua District Court and protested in support of the accused rapist and killers.
हम लोग एप्रीहेंड कर रहे हैं दैट ट्रायल जो है वो पीसफुली नहीं होगी गिवन जिस तरह की इसका माहौल बना है आज की डेट में जम्मू एंड हमारे जम्मू में जैसे लॉयर्स ने अपोज किया है कठुआ में चार्जशीट नहीं प्रोड्यूस होने दिया इन सब परिस्थितियों में इस सिचुएशन में हमारा वी स्ट्रांगली फील दैट trial would not go peacefully here. So for that it is very important that we move an application before the Honorable Supreme Court, and we request the Honorable Supreme Court for transferring this case to some other part of the country where at least the trial should go peacefully.
हमारे दो मंत्री लोकल पॉपुलेशन के इस भावना को उजागर किया तो कांग्रेस ने और मीडिया में भी हो हल्ला मचा। दोनों मंत्रियों ने इस्तीफे दे दिए। हम राहुल गांधी से पूछना चाहते हैं कि वो रात में कैंडल मार्च निकालते हैं लेकिन अपने प्रदेश अध्यक्ष पर कार्रवाई क्यों नहीं करते? वहां उनका हाथ क्यों रुकता है? निर्भया का कांड हुआ, पूरा देश ऐसा ही उद्वेलित हुआ, तब तो इन्होंने कभी कैंडल मार्च नहीं निकाला।
So that's the big story we are tracking at this hour. The family of the 8-year-old girl who was raped and murdered in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua has decided to request the Supreme Court to transfer the trial to another state. The murder of the child, who belonged to a nomadic Muslim community, outraged the country after details were exposed in a police charge sheet last week. It became heavily politicized too, and two BJP ministers from the Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti's cabinet who defended the accused had to be shunted out. Citing that the local lawyers stopped the crime branch from filing the charge sheet at the Kathua District Court, the family lawyers have now said that they would ask for a transfer of the case from the Supreme Court. They will be moving Supreme Court to seeking the transfer of the case out of Kathua. Now, this evening, protest marches will be held at least half a dozen cities across India, demanding justice in the rape cases in Kathua and Unnao. Candlelight marches will be held in Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Goa, Thiruvananthapuram and several other cities, and will be going live to those cities as and when those marches begin. So protest marches across the country planned today seeking justice for the rape case in Kathua and Unnao. Now, hitting out at the Congress, which has repeatedly demanded that the Prime Minister speak up on the issue, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar, you heard him saying that he said that two of our ministers went and spoke to local people. The ministers have resigned, but we want to ask Rahul Gandhi. He goes on candlelight marches, but why doesn't he act against his ministers there? Why the silence is what the BJP is asking.